Hi and welcome to a brand new Barre workout in which we're going to focus on our arms and legs. It's a short, nice, sweet but super intense burner for which you need a light pair of weights. I'm using 1 kilogram. That's totally enough, I promise you. Don't forget to do a warm-up first, and when you've done that, let's start straight away. We're gonna start in the first belly position, so bring your heels together. So your feet are in kind of a V position, so your toes are facing into the corners. And then before you start, roll your shoulders back and down. Chest nice, wide, and bring the arms into the nice belly shape. Here, actively bend the elbows to the side. We're gonna start with the arms. So you bring the left arm up, then the right, and both slowly down at the same time. Start again with the left. Lift, right, and then lower down, elbows actively to the side. Ready? Speed it up. Let's go. You have up, up, and down. Up, up, down. Take your time to get used to the rhythm, to the exercise, to the flow. Draw the navel in towards the spine. What about the legs? Ready? Let's add a demi-plie. So as you lower the weights, bend the legs, push the knees to the side and down. Squeeze the thighs together. Good. One more. Slow it down. We're gonna switch to the other side. Right arm up first, then the left. Lower down both. Good. Keep that nice upright posture. Again, right, then the left, and lower down. Ready? Let's speed it up again. Here we go. Up, up, and down. Up, up, and down. Keep working with the beat, with the rhythm. Let's have some fun with the music. Down. Whoop, whoop, down. Yes. What about the legs? Let's add the demi-plie. Up, up. Keep your heels on the ground here. And don't allow the knees to fall inwards. Keep pushing them to the side. Amazing. Now keep the arms lifted, and we're gonna open the legs. Now you open the arm to the side, then the other, and bring both here together again. Fingertips in front of your belly button. Again, the left. Then the right. Long and lean arms. Bring it in again. First belly position. Speed it up. Out, out, in. Out, out, in. Keep that rhythm. Good. Think about a strong core. Close the rib arches. Don't allow them to pop out, all right? So, out, out, in, team. It's time for the legs. Extend and bend. Like we did it before, but now in the second position here. With the feet opened up more than shoulder width apart. Last one. Slow it down, and we're gonna switch to the other side. Both together. Make sure the shoulders are low. Again, open right, then the left. Bring it in slowly. Ready? Double time, let's go. Out, out, in. What about the shoulder blades? Pull them together and into the lower back. Fight your way through this exercise. Enjoy the burn. And whenever you're ready, add the legs. Thigh burner. When you come up, squeeze your glutes. Squeeze. Squeeze. 4 more. 3. 2. And last one, hold it low. Now you lift the left arm up next to your ear. Lower both. So here it is very important that you keep your elbows slightly bent. Don't hyperextend. Create some space here for your shoulders. Ready? Double time. Let's go. Up, up, lower. Now I need your core, okay? So draw the navel in towards the spine. Let's go. Up, push down, down. Prepare for the legs. So we're gonna lift the heels. 7 more. 6. Make sure you have a long neck. You don't move the spine. Good. Last one. And slow it down. Right arm. We're gonna switch to the other side. Lower. Right arm up. Then the left. And both arms down. Ready? Let's speed it up. Here we go. Up, up, down. 4 more. Think about the legs. We're gonna lift the heels, one after another. Are you ready? Follow me with the legs. You have 8 more. 7, 6. Close the rib arches. Soften the lowest rib towards your hip. Woo. Last 2. Last round. Good. Relax your shoulders and your feet for a moment. Bring your feet together into the first belly position. Now we're gonna bring the arms up again. And we're gonna bend the right arm. Bring the elbow into your side flank and then push up again. One more time slowly. Think about the elbows actively bend. And then let's speed it up. Elbow in, extend. Now, pull in actively for your broad back muscle, your so-called latissimus. Shoulders are working here as well. Hope you can feel it too. Let's add the heel, so we're gonna lift and lower. Prepare for a little challenging combination in a few seconds. Try to memorize this movement. Last one. And then we're gonna move the left arm to the side. Bring it back up. To the side. And bring it back up. Double time. Let's go. Down and up. Down and up. Don't lose the right arm here. Don't drop. Keep it long. 4 more here. 3. Have a look. I show you the leg movement. Ready? Follow me. Let's go for 8 more. 7. Press your pinky toes into the mat. This will prevent your knees from falling inwards. 4 more. 3, 2. Now we bring it together slowly. Bend the right arm, left arm is long, lift the right heel, and then bring it in. We work here for your coordination again. So, and bring it in. All right, one more time slowly, maybe. Good. And bring it up. Ready, double time. And out and in. Let's improve the connection between brain and muscles. And if this little combination is not working for you the first time, then don't worry. This is my aim. My aim is to challenge you, your body and your brain. All right, 4, 3, 2. Let's switch up to the other side. Bend the left arm slowly. Bring the elbow in and push it up. Bring the elbow in and push it up. Actively pull shoulder blades into the lower back. Fight, fight, double time. Let's go. And down and up. Make sure not to do this. Tuck your tailbone under, strong glutes, strong core. This is your arm movement. Feel free to add the left heel. Lift and lower with power. Good. Last 4, 3, 2. Switch to the right arm. We lower and lift. Let's go lower and lift. Maybe you need to shake out and then you come back stronger. Last round, slowly. And then let's speed it up together. Here we go. Out and in. Out and in. Beautiful. Now breathe. I show you the upcoming leg movement. Whenever you're ready, follow me. Let's go. 8 more. 7. Embrace the challenge. Enjoy the burn. This is where the magic happens, where the muscle starts to grow. Good. Let's slow it down. We bring it together and extend both arms up. Let's go one more time slowly. Bend the left arm, keep the right arm super long, and then bring it in. Ready, double time. Let's go. Lower and lift. Take your time. Come on, push it, push it. Together, the last 8. Hup. Is your left heel moving as well? Last 4. 4. 3. Oh yes. 2. Relax arms, shoulders, and legs. Let's go for a little dance party. Shake it off. Good. And find a stable stance with your feet open, shoulder width apart. Bring your elbows into your sides. Arms are long with your inhale. With your exhale, drive the elbows in and close your rib arches. Let's go. We're gonna speed it up. Are you ready? Let's do it. And out and in. Breathe in and out. These are your arm movements. Remember? Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Let's relax the arms here for a second and have a look at the leg movement. We're gonna bend the legs and bring it back up. So squeeze the glutes as you come up. Are you ready? Let's speed it up. Come on, down and squeeze. Keep your weight in your heels. Keep your knees above your ankles. Keep your spine long. All right. Are you ready for that combination? Have a look. Open, bring it in. Open, bring it in. You got it? Let's rock it together. Come on. Down, up, down, and squeeze. What about your breath? Still breathing? I hope so. Fill the lungs with oxygen. The body with new power, with new energy. 4 and 3, 2. Last round. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the arms at the side and then slowly drop it down. Let's meet in a kind of a deadlift position. So keep that micro bend in your knees, but shift your weight a little bit more into your toes. Good. Very important here. Don't round. Keep the spine long and actively engage your core. Draw the navel in. We're gonna lift the left arm, then the right, and slowly both. One more time slowly, the left, then the right. Crack the imaginary nut with your shoulder blades and lower down. Ready, double time, let's go. Lift, lift, lower. You already know this kind of rhythm from the exercises before. Good. Now we're gonna work and focus here on the mid-back muscles. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Last 2. Slow it down and we're gonna switch. Start to the other side. Right arm. Then the left. Lower down with control. Draw the navel in towards the spine. Let's go slowly. Good job. Ready? Let's speed it up. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Think about your shoulder blades. Find that muscle-mind connection. Up. Good. Keep the arms high, and here's your finisher. We're gonna pulse together, arms up. So, come on, let's put all the energy in here. Keep that micro bend, keep your weight in your heels, and count with me. The last 8 and 7. How many? Come 6, 5. Woo, keep going. Don't stop. You're almost there. 4, 3, 2. Now drop the weights. Relax, release. Arms and head are heavy. And keep your legs bent. Now, with your legs bent, roll up vertebra by vertebra. Come back in your upright position. Good job! Amazing! Team, thank you so much for moving with me again. If you still have some energy and time left, then make sure to check out this abs burner next. See you there.